number 15, the 4 by 50 meter medley relay for boys secondary. The standing palaro record in this event is 1 minute, 54.57 seconds, held by swimmers Aguilar, Lua, Castelo, and Yap of the National Capital Region, established in the 2008 Palarong Pambansa held in Puerto Princesa City, Palawan. Presenting the finalists. Lane 1, Western Visayas. Swimmers Dublas Earl Jonathan, Lee John David, Bituonon Moses Oliver, and Duron Jiro Mervin. Lane 2, Davao Region. Anor Christian Paul, Berha Jo Marie, Rodriguez Fritz John, and Alinsug Aaron Dave. Lane 3, National Capital Region. Carino Akiva Jose, Ilustre Yuri, Arellano Miguel Antonio, and Jacinto Gerard Dominic. Lane 4, Bicol Region. Hernandez James Peter, Cielo Erwin, Teodoro Romeo Renzo, and Chavez Kurt Anthony. Lane 5, Calabarzon. Arcilia Jose Marie Sebastian, Calianta Marco Daniel, Liba Kiel Angel Kyle, and Casino Jasper. Lane 6, Soxargen Region. Dagom Lian Isidore, Tuya Keith Glinjoy, Villar Jeboy, and Dagom Kevin Troy. Lane 7, Central Luzon. Alindogan Mac Tracy John, Ellsworth James Alfon, Salinas Isaac James, and Vitog John Vincent. Lane 8, Caraga, Kuwatun Remart, Kabuhit J, Codilio Sam Jethro, and Culiantas Ariel Reynolds.